How to replace a Human Touch WholeBody 7.1 or 8.0 transformer. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized, a wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair. Then unplug it. Lift up on the backrest release lever, then tip the backrest forward to rest it on the chair seat. Next, loosen, or remove, the 2 screws from the top of the power panel. Pull the power panel out of the backrest, then unzip the backrest upholstery. Now, feed the power panel, remote control and power cord through the hole in the backrest upholstery. Flip the backrest upholstery over the backrest. Lift up on the black plastic mechanism cover to detach it, then remove the cover from the chair. Remove the 3 screws that secure the PCB box to the chair frame. Then, lift the PCB box out of the backrest and set it on top of the backrest with the screws facing up. Now, remove the 7 screws that secure the PCB box cover, then remove the cover. Cut the 4 zip ties that secure the upper black transformer cable. Then, disconnect the cable connector from the main PCB. Follow the lower transformer cable to the PCB, then disconnect the connector. Now, remove the 2 screws and washers that secure the transformer to the PCB tray, then remove the transformer. To install the new transformer, place it into position on the tray, then feed the cable with the red connector underneath the upper wiring toward the open red connector. Connect the red connector to the PCB, then connect the white connector to the corresponding PCB connector. Next, replace the 4 zip ties to secure the cables in the same locations as they were previously secured. Cut the excess zip ties. Now, replace the 2 screws and washers to secure the transformer to the tray. Place the PCB box cover into position, aligning the screw holes. Make sure there are no cables pinched between the tray and the cover. Replace the 7 screws to secure the PCB box cover to the tray. Next, place the PCB box into position between the massage mechanism and the chair frame, pushing the cables on the lower edge of the box underneath the metal bracket so they are not bent. Replace the 3 screws to secure the PCB box to the chair. Note the tabs along the edge of the black plastic mechanism cover, and the corresponding slots on the chair. Insert the right-hand tabs into the slots, lower the cover into position, then insert the left-hand tabs into the slots. Now tuck the upper and lower tabs into their respective slots. Flip the backrest upholstery back into position. Then, feed the remote, the power cord, and the power panel through the hole in the upholstery. Next, close the backrest zippers. Slide the tab on the lower edge of the power panel under the chair frame. Then, pushing the power panel cables into the backrest, lower the upper edge of the panel into position. Replace the 2 screws to secure the power panel to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, then confirm that the chair is working properly.